Subject of this video is creating a sensitivity label and publishing it. So let's go to the compliance portal, maximize the screen. Okay, so now we're going to go down to information protection, click on labels, and we're going to create a new label. You can see I've already created labels for confidential, internal use only. Enter a name. I've set internal use only as the default. You'll see why that's important later on in this. So enter the display name. And the label priority, I would just leave it at highest for now. You can adjust the priority later once the label's created and published. And let's paste the description there. Mins, select green, and next. And then just leave those as defaults so people can select the policy in Word, Excel, or Outlook. And let's apply a content marking. When I used to work at IBM, everything was internal use only, so that kind of stuck with me years ago. You may decide that everything is confidential and you set that to the highest priority, or it may be public and you just set that to the highest priority. It really comes down to you, but I prefer to keep things internal use only and then allow the person to justify if they want to change that, justify it and why. Okay, so now we're creating the label. Okay, so now we have to publish it. Okay, so this is the next step. We're creating a policy to publish it. So click next, create a label policy. Now you have to click on the link. I just wanted to show you this because sometimes it's not intuitive. So choose the label. Click next. And just ignore that. You don't have to worry about that. Click next. It's going to go to all the users and groups. Now you could create special groups where this is published to them only, but we're going to publish it to the entire organization. And then click next, and then the default label. Now we chose the internal use only as default when I created that label policy. That was prior to this video, by the way. And click next. And then give the policy a name, something descriptive. You know, look at your info security policies or your info security policies around specific to marking data and documents, and then use that so that people understand. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Click like and subscribe. Thanks.